In this podcast episode, Zach Bush, a thought leader in microbiome health, discusses the connection between human health and planetary health. He emphasizes the importance of nature as the antidote to humanity's wounds, highlighting the intrinsic link between the two. He points out that the technological food system has led to a disconnection from nature, resulting in the use of chemicals like Roundup glyphosate, which disrupts the relationship between soil and its life and affects human health. Bush explains that mitochondria, the power plants of human cells, are essential for the release of light energy. He describes mitochondria as tiny bacteria that live within human cells and are responsible for breaking down glucose and fatty acids to release energy. This energy is crucial for organizing complex structures within the cell, such as proteins and DNA, and is a key factor in maintaining human health. According to Bush, disease is a symptom of a reduction in light energy within the human body. He explains that the diminishing light threshold of humanity has led to an explosion of diseases. He emphasizes that the human body is a concentration of light energy, and any reduction in this energy results in disease. Bush highlights the impact of glyphosate, a chemical used in the food system, on human metabolism. He explains that glyphosate disrupts the relationship between soil and its life, affecting the nutrient content of food and ultimately diminishing the light energy within the human body. He emphasizes the need to restore the connection between humans and nature to address the impact of chemicals like glyphosate on human health. Bush emphasizes that every person has the original design within them and a blueprint for returning to that design. He highlights the importance of getting back into the right relationship with light energy and the microbiome. He emphasizes the need to nurture the mitochondria by establishing a direct relationship with nature and soil systems, ultimately restoring the connection between humans and the environment. According to Bush, human behavior has a significant impact on health, particularly in the context of the relationship with nature. He highlights the role of stress, lack of sleep, fear, guilt, and shame in introducing static to the body's antenna, disrupting the clear signal from the original vibration of self. This disruption can lead to a loss of coherence and a decline in overall health. He emphasizes the importance of curiosity and the need to foster biodiversity at every opportunity. Bush encourages individuals to create diversity in their living spaces, such as adding plants and fostering a food forest in their yards. By doing so, individuals can align themselves with nature and promote overall health and vitality. Bush discusses the impact of chemicals, particularly glyphosate, on human health and the environment. He explains that the widespread use of glyphosate has led to a break in the relationship between soil and its life within it, as well as the protein structures within the human gut. This break has resulted in conditions such as leaky gut, leaky brain, and other health issues. He encourages individuals to reduce their exposure to glyphosate and other harmful chemicals by fostering biodiversity and creating a more natural environment. By doing so, individuals can promote their own health and contribute to the overall health of the planet. Despite the current challenges facing humanity, Bush remains optimistic about the potential for healing and realignment. He believes that individuals have the capacity to realign with an original design that dwells within each of them, allowing for a new expression of humanity. He emphasizes the importance of returning to self and aligning with something more ancient and perfect than the current physical life. He encourages individuals to remember themselves and tap into a deeper sense of self, beyond the fear, guilt, and shame that may be prevalent in society. Bush celebrates the nonverbal connection to the vibration that individuals can express through activities such as playing music. He highlights the musician within individuals as a way to align with the information within the universe and re-express themselves to a higher design. Bush discusses the potential for a human to complete the original design and become a transformative force in this time. He believes that when two human beings finally see each other in their true essence, the frequency of love created will be so profound that it will transmute the potential of human biology across the entire species, changing the vibration of the entire planet and having a ripple effect through the entire cosmos. He references prophecies from indigenous peoples that speak to this potential transformational moment. Bush emphasizes the power of nature and the intelligence of the universe in healing and transforming human biology. He discusses the potential for human cells to remember their original design and express higher levels of light energy, leading to a reimagining of human potential. He also highlights the importance of silence and the space between words in allowing nature to heal and for individuals to tap into a deeper level of awareness and remembrance. Bush reflects on his experience in Egypt, particularly the profound impact of being in the ancient chambers and sacred sites. He describes the feeling of being in the king's chamber and the subterranean chamber of the Great Pyramid, where he felt a deep cellular upgrade and a sense of surrender into the natural cycles of life. He also acknowledges the power of human connection and the transformative potential of being in a non-judgmental space that allows for vulnerability and deep listening. Bush acknowledges the burden and privilege of recognizing one's purpose and the willingness to be seen in one's full glory and mess. He discusses the importance of surrendering into the natural seasons and cycles of life, allowing for fallow seasons and recognizing the potential for future growth. He also emphasizes the power of human connection and the capacity to listen and be changed by what is heard, providing a space for radical presence and vulnerability. Bush points out that people often struggle with manifesting their full expression of self in the constructs they have created around the things they love. He believes that the closer individuals are to the topic of love, the more likely they are to feel burdened by duty, responsibility, and weight. He suggests that this struggle stems from a lack of belief in being already loved to the fullest potential. Bush shares his personal struggle with feeling unseen, misjudged, and unloved, despite his efforts to love others. He emphasizes that love does not need anything and is a frequency condition of biology being seen by other biology. Bush delves into the finite nature of being alive and the purpose of being in a human body. He explains that life is a finite expression of an infinite reality of physics, and the purpose of being alive in a finite reality is to perceive the beauty of the physical universe. He believes that humans, with their unique five senses and belief in their separation from everything, are better at perceiving the beauty of the physical universe. He shares his experiences with near-death encounters and how individuals experience complete acceptance and unity with the universe. Bush discusses the gift of sight and perception, emphasizing that humans have the capacity to perceive the beauty of everything. He encourages individuals to celebrate the pain they feel, as it pushes them forward until they have the vision that they have already arrived. He believes that pain is what pushes individuals forward until vision can pull them forward. He shares a quote from Lynn Twist: "The pain is what pushes us forward until vision can pull us forward," and emphasizes the importance of celebrating the pain as a catalyst for transformation. Bush shares a profound experience from his time in the Philippines, where he became an unexpected doula and witnessed the birth of a life in the back of a van. He describes the intense moment when a woman who was hemorrhaging gave birth to a premature infant in his hands. He reflects on the perfection of the infant's body and the overwhelming experience of witnessing the beauty and terror of the moment. He shares his deep reverence for life and the impact of that experience on his understanding of the human experience.